The happy moments of our lives are often linked to situations of conviviality with family and friends, during which good food and good wine contribute to the enjoyment. At SAATI, we care about health and therefore pay great attention to the quality of our food processing products. SAATI acts in the food filtration market with an innovative attitude, offering sieving and filter fabrics and components that answer to the most demanding needs of the following industry applications: flour milling, pasta drying, vegetable washing, cocoa drying, and wine must separation. What we eat affects our happiness and thus improves the quality of our life.